Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel Financeable. In this tutorial, we are gonna look at how to add the fund code for our Bidget account. Now let us begin. Well, do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do it right now. It is quite easy. Initially, what you guys have to do is simply click on the profile icon at the top left. Click on it, and that is it. From here, as you can see, there are multiple things. But right now, all you guys have to do is focus on this thing called as security. Click on it. And guys, from here, once you are in the settings page, initially from here you can look at the 2FA. But for now, what we're gonna do is simply scroll down. And from here you can see something called as fund code. Simply click on the enabled button right here, enter the new fund code. Enter the details right here. I'm gonna enter both of them, but do note that it has to be alphanumeric. Once you've done that, simply click on submit. And guys, once you have done that, it will ask for the code from the Google Authenticator. Simply do it right now. As you can see, I have done that, so I'm simply gonna hit on confirm. And guys, that is it. That's how you enable the fund code for Bidget. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.